Hey folks, welcome back to the channel, where today we will discuss the best monocular telescope on the market. Without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and by the way, links to all the featured products are given in the description below. The Bushnell Legend Ultra HD monocular has been designed and built utilizing the latest waterproof and fog-proof technology. Its O-ring sealed complete moisture protection and nitrogen purged to remove all internal moisture and prevent fogging. And its patented permanent water-repellent coating causes rain, snow, and sleet to bead up tightly and scatter less light for delivering you a clear image even in wet conditions. The ED glass and completely multi-coated optics give clear, bright photos for when you're attempting to find a rare bird or your preferred player at a sports game. Like all good monoculars, this product is waterproof and fog-proof so that you can use it in various situations without any difficulty. We all appreciate some comfort, so the twist-up eye cups are a welcome trade of this monocular. It's also good to recognize that the product is easy to use, focusing on being particularly quick and convenient. There's always the choice to use this product in conjunction with a tripod for increased stability. If you're looking for a good value product with excellent optics, we highly recommend the Bushnell Legend Ultra HD. Vortex is recognized for making high-quality optics, and their Solo Monocular is a magnificent device that falls just short of breaking into our top 3. It's available in 8x and 10x magnification with an objective lens of either 25 or 36 mm. We also like the broad field of view, 315 feet at 1,000 yards. This device gives excellent visual clarity. Pictures are crisp and colors are perfect, presenting a top-notch viewing experience. Thanks to the rubber armor coating on this monocular, you'll have an exceptional grip and won't have to bother about dropping it. But if you do, the rubber also helps to enhance this device's durability. Related to other monoculars we examined, the Solo is small and lightweight. It highlights a streamlined design that will comfortably fit into your pocket. Nevertheless, the focus ring is very narrow and placed straight against the eyepiece, making it hard to focus the lens without inadvertently moving the eyepiece. With a narrow focus of just over 16 feet, this monocular isn't excellent for close-up viewing. But recognition of the nitrogen purging, it's waterproof and fog-proof, so you won't have to fret about adverse weather if you're utilizing it in the field. Up next is our pick for best for beginners, and that goes to the Gosky 12x55. The Gosky 12x55 is a high magnification and compelling monocular. It has outstanding affordability and comes with a premium 55mm lens. The monocular produces an extended and detailed image of the landscape. The monocular will bring the faraway objects close to your eyes and allow you to observe them easily. It provides a sufficient amount of light to enter the lens and produce a bright image. It is compact and portable. It is specially designed for any outdoor enthusiast. Its 12x high power magnification ensures the best view of your outdoor adventures, and it will let you see 12 times closer with a clear and bright image with the 55mm FMC green film objective lens, and it allows more light transmission and brightness. Its tight-fitting protection makes it usable to withstand the most challenging weather conditions, and its rubber armor with stripes makes it comfortable for use and keeps it from slipping out of your hand. You can take it with you while hunting, hiking, climbing, concerts, viewing wildlife, or stargazing. The powerful monocular promises to give a bright, clear, and focused image to its consumers. This size is ideal, and you will not get tired. It highlights long relief eye cups that enables you to watch for longer without hurting your eyes. Next is our pick for best budget, and that goes to the Opticron WP Mono. The 8x32 waterproof roof prism monocular of Opticron is a small, completely multi-coated monocular with a nitrogen gas-filled waterproof construction and thick rubber covering with finger grooves for one-handed operation in even the harshest of situations. The 8x32 model highlights a long eye relief eyepiece of 16mm, giving the full field of view even with eyeglasses. It is outfitted with a 4-stage twist-type assembly to allow a more accurate setup. It comes in a variety of sizes and formats and includes some useful accessories dedicated to both the macro study of wildlife and long-range high-magnification observation. And it renders a soft case with a lanyard and integrated objective lens cap. Moreover, it measures only 5.5 inches and weighs under 9 ounces. The WP Mono X x32 is nitrogen gas-filled, waterproof, and finished in thick dark green rubber, covering with finger grooves for easy one-hand operation. Last on our list is our pick for best hunting, and that goes to the Vortex Recce Pro. If you're looking for a high-performance, really small, comfortable to carry, lightweight but strong monocular, created specifically with hunters in mind, then look no further than the Vortex Recce Pro HD 8x32 monocular. Its fully multi-coated lenses in HD glass, argon gas purging, O-ring seals, and ArmorTech coatings make it fully water and weatherproof. And it generates bright, sharp, high-definition images with its high-density, extra-low dispersion glass and XR anti-reflective coatings. Plus, its flared eyecup blocks extraneous light and folds down for use with glasses. And its large focus wheel is easy to adjust and allows for smooth one-handed operation once focused, while the reticle focus keeps your reticle looking tack sharp. Furthermore, its versatile utility clip securely attaches to pack webbing or pocket edges for quick access, while the unit comes with a Mole Pals compatible pouch. With 8 times magnification and a roof prism design, this binocular gives a broad 7.6 degree angle of view and a 5-foot smallest focus distance. A collar located in the middle makes for fast focus adjustments. The argon-filled construction is waterproof and fog-proof. With textured rubber armoring and attached lens covers, this binocular is meant for usage.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.